Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Hairstyles, the waiting game. Alright, you'll be waiting for this, I hope. I'm a little bit late, I'm aware of that. Now let's go into it. It's a part of the new album, the Disco Occasionally album, and yeah, love this song as well. So let's learn it. Very easy, actually. We have a couple of chords, that's a challenge, but otherwise it's pretty straightforward. So let's go into the setup here. I think the capo on 5th is the absolute best scenario with us. We have, let's see, like 8 chords, but yeah, still very easy to handle when you have the capo on 5th there. That's the reason for it, and also to match up with the sound. So let's go into the different chords. We have the C major 7, that's 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And when we speak about the C's, we can also go into the standard C chord. What you do there from the major 7 is just to add this 1st fret B string. Everything else stays the same. Add 1st B, and that's the C. Okay. Next chord will be the F major 7. So that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we got the E7. That will be open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, 3rd B, and open E. Then we have the A minor 7. A lot of 7s in this song. So open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The D minor 7. Yes. And that's open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And I place a short little bar like this, so I don't have to go in with all my fingers in this little small area. So just a short little bar with my index on the 2 strings B and E, and then yeah, like this. Then we have the G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the E minor 7, of course. And that is all strings open except from that 2nd fret A. 2nd fret A, and then all strings open from E to E all the way down. There you have all the chords. Now let's look into the strumming pattern we're going to use for this song. And if you grab the first chord, C major 7, we have this. Okay, so there's a lot of actions here and it goes pretty fast. So you're going to play down, up, a short little pause, and then up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And in a context with a couple of rounds. There you have it. I play 4 rounds for you, and that is what you're going to do as well. You're going to start this song with C major 7, 4 string rounds, and then F major 7, 4 string rounds. And you're going to do that again. So 2 rounds of that, C major 4, F major 4. And then after that, you're still in the first verse. You go into the E7, 2 string rounds, the A minor 7, 2 string rounds, D minor 7, 2 string rounds, and G, 2 string rounds. And that will end the first verse. So, first verse, then into the chorus. You found someone and so on. That's where on the lyrics. What you're going to play here is C, 2 string rounds, A minor 7, 2, E minor 7, 2, and F major 7, 2. You're going to play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So let's do it together. You're going to play like this. Second round, and that's the chorus. All right, we also have the post chorus that comes right after. What you're going to do there is just to continue 1 round of that chorus play we just learned. That's the first round. Second round is almost repetition, guys. The only difference happens in the beginning of this second verse. You played in the first verse C major 4 string rounds and F major 4 string rounds for 2 times. This time only once. So C major 4, F major 4, and then you go into that E7, A minor 7, D minor, and G. And everything else down there, the rest of the verse and even the chorus is played exactly the same way with exactly the same amount of times. Even the post-chorus part is one round of that chorus play. And then you're gonna finish out the song with the outro. Guess what? You're gonna fulfill that with another round of that chorus play. And that's the end of it, guys. So, very simple song to play. Once you learn the chords, there are a couple, yes, but once you learn them, it's just straightforward. The waiting game is over. Here we are. So play and have fun with this one. And if you like this tutorial, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this tutorial, and be back for next upload. See you then. Play tuned.